Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. We have got a little something for the Frontier here, and what it is this. And you might be wondering, well, what is that? Just a flat piece of leather? Where does it go? This is actually a cover for the armrest inside the truck. So shout out to Hazel. She actually sent us a couple things for the truck. This is the first one I'm going to upload. So if you want to pick one of these up, if you like it after watching this video, you think it fits well, go in the description below. I'll put the link for this and the other products down there. But as you can see, all this is a cover for the center console. So let's get inside the truck. I'll show you how easy it is to put on and just how it looks once installed. All right, so inside my Frontier here, this is a Pro-4x, you can see by the seats, with the luxury package. So what the luxury package is basically your leather interior, and then of course, with the Pro-4x, the 2023 and up models anyway, they have this red stitching along. And part of this luxury package is they actually wrap the center console here in leather already to match the rest. So if you don't have the luxury package, this won't already be covered in leather. But this is, yes, it's wrapped in leather, but it's kind of hard. It's not the most comfy thing in the world. I'm not hating on it, but they could have definitely put a little more cushion in there. And that is actually where this thing comes in handy. Because one, now you don't have to get this in red, but of course this is the Pro-4x, so it matches. And when I say matches, if you put this up, you can see the stitching compared to this piece to the factory seats is almost 100% dead on. And then the other part, I've had this on there already just to see how it fits. But if you look underneath here, you just have two kind of elastic like bungee cords. That's what holds this thing on. And then the inside is this nice soft foam. So when you have it on there, just that extra bit of cushion, just when you're leaning your elbow or whatever on there, it's nice and squishy. It's made of solid material. It's not some cheap knockoff. This is the real deal. So you can see once it goes on there, which I'll show you right now, just how it fits. And just keep in mind, this part with the little cutout here is for the handle. So this will actually sit on there like that. So let's get it on and show you how it fits. Get your hand in there kind of like that, open it up, and then flip it. Of course it won't cooperate, but you want to just get that part started. And like I said, it was a pain in the butt with one hand, so two hands, it's easy. Just slide it over, slide it down like this, all the way down, and then all you want to do is make sure the second one here is on the other side of your hook. So just work it down. Keep pushing. The seats will get in the way, so kind of put it down like this, grab the other side, and just pull. You can see it goes tight. Make sure again that this top strap is on the other side of this piece in the middle here, because that is your latch that will latch into here when this thing closes. So you don't want the bungee cord to be on the side with the handle. So now that you have it in place like this, the bottom one just kind of goes snug up against the bottom here. Another nice thing, they do have these little slots here for holding pencils or pens or whatever. The way this is, kind of will just hold it into place as well like that. So it's a little bit of an extra bonus. You can see this kind of still has a little bit of a slope to it because we are not tight on the top. So now that you have that piece on the other side of the clip, bring this down, close it. And then once you have it down, all you want to do, again, you might need two hands for this just to adjust this thing around. Grab it on the back side and just yank backwards. And you can see it tightens up the front here, gets it all aligned. And then you can come around and just kind of pull the edges down around here. Again, I'm going to need two hands for that because you can see it's bunching up a little bit right here on the seat. So it just means it needs a little bit more of an adjustment. So I'm going to get it all in place and show you how the final product looks. All right, so here you go. Inside the truck, once you get it all flattened out, it fits nice. Like I said, it's just the right amount of cushion to this thing, so you're not like a hard, ugly plastic or something like that. It's nice and soft. Feels nice when you're leaning your arm on there. You're not going to scratch yourself. Nothing's rough on here. And again, the stitching matches perfectly with the stitching in the rest of the truck. So it's an awesome product. Keep in mind, it does fit a little bit snugger because we have the luxury package. So this is kind of like leather on leather now. Whereas if you didn't have the luxury package, this would fit a little bit tighter on yours just because I think it's made for the standard ones. Most guys, I would think, with the leather interior aren't going to add a leather topper on top of it. But if you want to, and you want to just give your truck another little bit of a different look here, again, you do have this option. And as you can see, it fits perfect. Handle, everything works, nothing's in the way. You open it up, you can see your straps sit just above the little bumps and in between the hook. And then the bottom one is just down the bottom side. So like I said, close it up. Once you get it in place, grab in the middle here, pull towards the back of the truck. It'll kind of mold itself around here, and then you just kind of adjust the outsides a little bit where it touches the seat, because this console is pretty tight in these trucks. But once you get it tucked in, you can see here it all fits perfectly. So again, thanks to Hazel for sending this out. If you want to pick one up for your own truck, go down below. The link will be there. You can pick one up. You can get it straight off of Amazon. Took a couple days to ship here, so it'll be a quick shipment. And like always, if you like the channel, like and subscribe, follow. You can see some other stuff that they send out for the truck in future videos. And hopefully you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, everybody.